Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my fingers right now. I am literally just like ripping my nails off at this point. I have had zero time to go and do anything with them. I've been working really hard on this YouTube thing and I have 7 videos out at this point. Now with this one gonna be 8, and I've only been at this for almost 2 weeks, so I've been staying really busy and doing a lot of research and having a lot of fun with it. So thank you to everyone who has taken the time to watch so far. You guys have no idea how much this means to me, so thank you so freaking much. And yeah, and I'm gonna eventually do a bio video because I kind of want people to know a little bit about me. I just really want people to understand like why I'm doing this and like where I've been, you know, in the past 4 years and like how far I've come. And this is just something for me to do that I really enjoy and have a passion about, and you know, it's just an outlet for me. So I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do today, but you guys are going to be getting ready with me, and so we're just going to kind of go with the flow because that's kind of what I do every morning. I never really have a plan. I just pick up a palette and end up doing something with it. So I'm just going to start off with some foundation. This is the Matte and Poreless Maybelline foundation in the shade, I have to look every time, like my memory is terrible, in the shade Classic Ivory. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand, and I actually learned this trick, putting it on my hand, which I love because usually I just dump it on the brush and then dab it all over my face. But I learned this trick from like all the other makeup YouTubers that I've been watching. And today I'm not priming my face because I am out of primer and I just ordered some on Sephora.com. It'll be here in 2 days, along with like a shit ton of other stuff I didn't need, but we all know how that goes. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna wipe off any excess foundation because the other day I didn't do that and I got it all over my white shirt. And that was not fun. Right now we're gonna do the eyebrows. So I'm gonna use my eyebrow brush that I don't know the name of and my NYX eyebrow powder in the shade Brunette. I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer and my eyebrow brush from Stia, and I'm going to outline these messy eyebrows. Now I'm going to take my flat top concealer brush and I'm going to blend all that concealer in. Alrighty, so I'm going to use the Take Me On Vacation palette by Kylie Jenner. And I'm going to take the color Aloha and I'm going to blend that right into my crease for my transition color. But before we do that, we are gonna prep our eyelids because they are in rough shape today. And to prep my eyelids, I'm gonna use the Kylie concealer in the Shell shade. Just need like a little bit. And I'm gonna take my like mini little concealer brush here and go all over my eye. Eyelids just need a little bit of TLC today. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of my light contour. I actually haven't used the Kylie concealer yet as a eyelid base, or primer, but I'll get back to you on how this works. We're gonna take the color Aloha again. Okay. Let's look a little better. And then I'm going to take my crease brush from Kestrel, and I'm going to take this color here, Palm Tree, that very lightly into my crease. So far I'm going to give the Kylie concealer a thumbs down on the eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to have to fix this really quick. Okay, so I just blended that out with my blending shadow brush and had to add just a little bit more of the palm tree color on this brush to blend it out. But I think that worked. Now I'm going to take my all over shadow brush and I'm going to take the color Luxury, just this color right here. Put that on my lid. Now I'm going to take this color here called Spray Tan, and I'm going to blend that right into the side right here. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer and sharpen that up. And then under the eyes with the Kylie concealer. Now I'm just going to blend this in with my wettish, dampish beauty blender. Now I'm going to take my light contour and my blush brush and I'm going to set that under my eye. Then I'm going to take my True Match Mineral Powder by L'Oreal in the shade Light Ivory. And my powder brush. Today I'm going to use my Cocoa Face Palette for all my contouring and highlighting needs. I'm going to take the bronzer right here. darken up that contour on my cheekbone, I'm going to take the medium contour. But I love the Cocoa Face palette, it is amazing. I'm going to take the blush, Hollywood Boulevard, and my blush brush. I'm going to take the highlight 90210. I'm going to take my contour brush, just because I like always use this brush for my highlight. And I like the look of it a little bit better. I'm going to highlight my nose. I'm going to take the color here, Surfboard, with my smudge brush. And I'm going to blend that under my eye, on my lower lash line. This color is to die for. I'm going to blend that up and create a cute little pop of color right here. Almost make it look like it's my eyeliner. I'm going to take my blending shadow brush and the 90210 highlighter, blend that up into my eyebrow. To the corner of my eye. Now I'm just going to finish this look with some mascara and a lip. And for my lip, I'm going to use the color Bear from, which is one of Kylie's Velvet Liquid Lipsticks in her like nude collection. I'm just gonna go do my hair really quick and I'll be back in jiff. So I just blow dry my hair a little bit. I'm gonna put It's a 10 Miracle 10 Styling Potion. Just need that tiny, tiny little bit. And just massage it under my hands. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this look today that I created with the Take Me on Vacation palette. I don't really know what to call it. I think it's gorgeous though. And I use this little grid of colors here. The Aloha for my transition, Palm Tree for my crease and outer lid, the Luxury for my lid, and the Surfboard for my lower lash line. And then I blended some of the spray tan into my outer just to give it a really pretty like wing V look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks again for all the support and all the love. I have really appreciate it. Shout out to Emily Price, who has been commenting on all my videos and subscribed really early on, and I just appreciate you so much, girls. So thank you so much for the love. It's just like such a cool community and I am excited to be a part of it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Show your girls some love. And also I'm going to include all the product links in the description below. Most of the stuff I've already used before, but I do have a really exciting video planned for you guys. I just spent a ton of money on Sephora, which I wasn't planning on doing ever, like spending money on this, but I want to show some new products and got some really awesome stuff that I'm going to show you guys in a video coming up next week. So stay tuned, you guys. Thanks.